Hello! Today we're going to learn the names of some jungle animals. Let's go! This is a lion. Say it with me, lion, lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Here's a tiger. Say, tiger, tiger. Tigers have stripes. Look, a leopard. Say, leopard, leopard. Leopards are fast and great climbers. This is an elephant. Say, elephant, elephant. Elephants have long trunks. Here's a monkey. Say, monkey, monkey. Monkeys love to climb and swing. This is a chimpanzee. Say, chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are very smart. Look, a gorilla. Say, gorilla, gorilla. Gorillas are strong and gentle giants. Watch out, a crocodile. Say, crocodile, crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers. This is a giraffe. Say, giraffe, giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. Here's a rhino. Say, rhino, rhino. Rhinos have big horns. This is a hippo. Say, hippo, hippo. Hippos love water and mud. Look, a bear. Say, bear, bear. Bears are big and furry. This is a gazelle. Say, gazelle, gazelle. Gazelles run very fast. Here's a hyena. Say, hyena, hyena. Hyenas make funny laughing sounds. Here's a zebra. Say, zebra, zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Oh, a snake. Say, snake, snake. Snakes slither on the ground. Great job, everyone. Bye-bye.